We're going to take our markers now and outline it. For more information on why we outline, check out our website or our channel information. It gives you a little bit of information about why this will make you a better artist. It also helps because we can go through the drawing twice and you can fix anything you might not like. We're going to start with the rounded shape of this guy's nose, curves of his ears. Hi there, amazing artists. Before we dive back into our awesome drawing tutorial, got a quick message for you. First of all, thanks for dropping by our channel. It means a lot to me. Whether you're a regular or first time here, we're thrilled to have you. Now, I want to talk to you about the format of our videos real quick before you continue on. Each drawing tutorial has two parts. And part one is where we go through the nitty-gritty, step-by-step, sharing all my tips and tricks and details of creating that masterpiece. It's perfect if you want to follow along and learn the ins and outs of the drawing process. And if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our creative adventures. Now, let's jump back into that tutorial. Part 2 awaits, so that you're ready for a speedy drawing session. If you're looking for step-by-step drawings and you want all the nitty-gritty, be sure to head back to part 1 of this video before you watch the rest of part 2. I'll see you there. Inner ears. For those eyeballs, since they're so nice and little, I'm going to use the ultra fine Sharpie. You could even use this to add some whiskers up here if you want. It'd kind of be like there. I mean, what mouse isn't cute with whiskers? A body. And his tail. Big old chunk of cheese. What's your favorite kind of cheese? Provolone, I think, is mine. I do like Swiss on a sandwich, though. Not sure why mice love Swiss so much, or if it's just because it's fun to draw with all these cool holes. And if something happens and you don't hit your pencil line exactly, that's okay. Our pencil lines are just a guideline. Now we're going to do our next head. I'm going to switch to my smaller pen. Do his nose and a couple of whiskers. His eyes. And I feel like the way he's looking, he might need some eyelashes, or eyebrows, giving him a little bit more personality. His ears. A body. With some arms. Some little feet. And a tail. I hope you enjoyed that drawing. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and share it with a friend. And check out this next drawing too.